Aeon Azure Regenerative Night Repair Cream. This rich cream is the ultimate in luxury moisturizers. It's rich, regenerative for that great overnight total dermal transformation. Using some of the most exquisite and potent ingredients Mother Nature has to offer, Aeon Azure assists in the softening of fine lines, redness, and deeply moisturizing your skin. It provides all-day moisture, protecting the surface layers from environmental pollutants and helping soothe dryness and assisting in repairing the skin's external barrier using peptides from nature and anti-aging hero ingredient bakuchiol, nature's alternative to retinol. Massage a small amount of this cream into your face and neck after cleansing and exfoliating at night. You can see how rich this is. It's not going anywhere. It really does have a lot of depth to it. So when you put it on, you automatically feel all of those ingredients really doing their work. Now you massage that into your skin. You can use a Gua Sha, which really helps to massage right into the dermal layers and activate those pressure points. Remember, you should never put anything on your skin that you couldn't eat.